Alright, so quick update on the car. It's actually more broken. Let me explain. So, as of right now, the car doesn't start. Yes, I did fix the water pump, the thermostat, and put in a new radiator, but for some reason, it's not starting. So, right now, the car's currently at my buddy's shop right now. Here's a clip of it actually getting towed. Like I said, the car isn't starting, and initially I thought it was a fuel issue, but after my buddy taking a quick look at it and poking around, it turns out the issue is actually the spark plugs. So now we're just trying to figure out why they're not firing. So I don't really know if the issue is either the DME or the crank position sensor or whatever, some sort of wiring issue that it is. But stick around and find out, and we'll see if we can fix this thing. Until next time, peace guys.